Ooh. Mango, kiwi, shine muscat. What's this? Nishino. Nishinoka. Rainbow fruit. I wonder what that is. Peach pineapple. Shiranui? This was the shiranui. Shiranui. Mango. Incredibly delicious. It's so elegant. Definitely looking nice. Definitely looking nice. I just have some more to go. Camp. It's an outdoor camping table. Yay! Perfect size. Perfect size. Next item on the list is this. Alright. I've been buying so many things on Amazon recently, but this is basically initial investment. Ta-da! Camping chair. I got this from Mom Bell. You know, if you guys are campers or outdoor lovers, I think many of you would already know this brand. They're very famous and they do offer high quality stuff. Oh, it smells so new. It comes wrapped nicely. Ooh, look at this. Nice. Boom. Very easy to open. Ooh, nice. Mom Bell. Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you all for watching and staying until the end. Hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I post videos of my life here in Tokyo, Japan, so if you are interested, please check it out. Thank you all, see you guys in the next video. Bye!